Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the U.S. have experienced significantly lower inflows compared to their Ethereum counterparts during the last 4 trading days, from November 22nd to the day before Thanksgiving, according to data from Value. The 12 spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded 32.2 million in inflows over the last 4 trading days between November 22nd and November 27th, which stood significantly lower than the 224.8 million inflows recorded by the 9 spot Ethereum ETFs over the same period. The interesting scenario comes as Bitcoin saw a 2.7 drop in its price over the last 7 days, compared to a 5.3 Ether price rally over the same period. Depending on how trading unfolds on November 29th, U.S. Ether funds might outpace spot Bitcoin ETFs in weekly net inflows for the first time. Despite the recent slowdown in inflows, spot Bitcoin ETFs have still achieved a record-breaking month, with over 6.2 billion in net inflows for November, surpassing the previous record of 6.2 billion set in February. Market commentator Nate Geraci noted in an X post. Notably, the BTC ETFs recorded their highest inflow week between November 1822, when the ETF saw 3.38 billion in inflows, pushing Bitcoin towards its all-time high of 99,645 towards the end of last week. Meanwhile, the recent surge in inflows into Ether ETFs is likely linked to Ethereum's price rally, which may have been influenced by crypto privacy mixer Tornado Cash's partial victory in U.S. courts. Additionally, investor interest in Ethereum may have increased following reports that former SEC Commissioner and crypto advocate Paul Atkins is now the leading candidate to replace Gary Gensler as SEC chair. This development has heightened expectations of a more favorable regulatory environment for the DeFi space under a Donald Trump-led U.S. administration. Press time Bitcoin was up 0.6 in the last 24 hours, exchanging hands at 96,279, while Ethereum was down 0.9, trading at 3,570 per coin.